Welcome to our video on solar power systems. Today, we will introduce the concept of solar energy and its benefits. Solar energy is a clean, renewable source of power that can help us reduce our carbon footprint. One of the main benefits of solar energy is cost savings. By generating your own power, you can significantly reduce your electricity bills. Solar energy also has a positive impact on the environment by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. By using solar energy, you can also achieve energy independence and not rely on the grid. Now, let's understand how solar power systems work. They convert sunlight into electricity through the use of solar panels, inverters, and batteries. Solar panels absorb sunlight and convert it into DC electricity. The DC electricity is then converted into AC electricity by the inverter, which can be used by your home appliances. Installing a solar power system involves several steps. The first step is site assessment to determine the best location for the panels. The next step is panel placement. The panels should be placed in a location that gets maximum sunlight. Finally, the electrical connections are made to connect the solar power system to your home's electrical system. Maintaining a solar power system involves cleaning the panels regularly and monitoring their performance. While the initial cost of a solar power system can be high, the long-term savings make it a worthwhile investment. In conclusion, solar power systems offer numerous benefits, including cost savings, environmental impact, and energy independence. We hope this video has provided you with valuable information about solar power systems. Consider adopting solar power for a sustainable future. Thank you for watching.